Hello guys, so this is going to be a walkthrough of the new model that we're going to be using, which is incorporating precision swing points, and it's going to be a kind of continuation of the previous model, which is here, the higher time frame sequential SMT, the lower time frame sequential SMT, which I've already uploaded a video going over how to use that. So I recommend you watch that video first if you haven't already. And it's going to be building the foundation of this new model. So we had two stages in the original model, and we're going to have two stages in regards to precision swing points. So higher time frame and then lower time frame. And this is to do with that whole idea about predicting PSPs and sniper entries, which is something I've also made a video about. So I definitely watched that on WAP. So in terms of a high time frame precision swing point, we'll be looking for either a 1 hour, 60 minute, or a 30-minute precision swing point. One of these two. To confirm it, we'll be looking for a 15-minute or 5-minute. So you could have a 1 hour followed by 15 or 5, or a 30-minute followed by 15 or 5. So we don't need to be looking at any other time frames, just these. These are the ones we'll stick to. So similar to this, have higher time frame followed by lower time frame. So you'd be wanting to look for things like weekly cycle and 30-minute, followed by maybe daily cycle and 5-minute. Hope that makes sense. So I'll go into an example of this here. First chart is the higher time frame chart, where we have a higher time frame sequential SMT and a higher time frame PSP. So in this example, I drew out the previous day low of, I think it was a couple of weeks ago. So we have previous day low of NQ, ES and YM is clearly trading below. With that, we have a 1 hour precision swing point. So we close bullish on AQ and then bearish on ES and YM. That's the first stages of the model. After that, we have our lower time frame sequential SMT and lower time frame PSP. So in this example, it's a 90-minute and a 5-minute PSP. So I've drew out the previous low of the 90-minute cycle quarter, and you can see that we have a failure swing on NQ, but we have ES and YM taking that low out. So that's the sequential SMT, and then the PSP is here, where we close bearish on NQ and ES, but on YM we have a bullish candle, and that is the lower time frame stage. So we have a weekly cycle and 1 hour PSP, followed by a 90-minute and 5-minute PSP. As you can see the move here, this is that kind of continuation here. So this is what we could look for. We'd be looking for a trade in here to catch this move. In terms of some additional rules, we'll be looking to enter between 9 and 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. So that's Q3 and then the first half an hour of Q4 of New York AM. We'll be looking to trade only 2 trades max in a day. So that's our risk management. And we'll be, as I said earlier, the whole concept behind the 2 stages of PSPs is to predict them. So predicting the higher time frame PSP with a lower time frame one to catch tops and bottoms and those sniper entries. Then the 30-minute PSPs that we'll be looking for or be paying more attention to are the 8:30 and 9 AM candles. So the 9 AM candle will be the one that closes at 9:30. So this could be a reason why the open may dump or pump. So we'll be paying attention to those 30-minute PSPs. Then lastly, you only need one of each time frame PSP. Anything else is just additional complements. So for example, if you had a 4 hour PSP, That's not going to be a part of our model because now we have solidified rules, but it can be additional confidence. And that's it. As long as we follow these rules, we shouldn't have any problems. And there will be days where we don't get higher time frame and lower time frame. And if you choose to enter with just lower time frame, that's up to you. But for this model, if you want a solidified checklist for what to look for, then I recommend that this is what you use.